The oldest CPU, central processing unit, is the Intel 4004, which was released in 1971. It was the first single-chip microprocessor and was developed by Intel Corporation's Mark Ian, Ted Horf, Stanley Mozor, and Federico Fagin. The 4004 CPU was originally designed for use in a calculator, and was capable of performing around 60,000 operations per second. The Intel 4004 had a 4-bit data bus, a clock speed of 740 kHz, and could address up to 640 bytes of memory. It was built using the MOS, metal oxide semiconductor, process and had 2,300 transistors. Despite its limitations, the Intel 4004 was a significant breakthrough in the history of computing, as it paved the way for the development of more powerful and advanced microprocessors. It was also the foundation for the Intel 8008, 8080, and 8086 CPUs, which were instrumental in the growth of the personal computer industry. The Intel 4004 was a groundbreaking achievement in the field of microprocessors. Prior to its release, most electronic calculators used discrete logic circuits made up of individual transistors and diodes, which were bulky, expensive, and required a significant amount of power. The 4004 microprocessor, on the other hand, was a single chip that integrated all the necessary components for a calculator, including the central processing unit, memory, and input-output controls. This made it much more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable than the discrete circuits. The Intel 4004 had a clock speed of 740 kHz, which was considered fast at the time, and could perform around 60,000 operations per second. It had a 4-bit data bus, which meant it could process 4 bits of data at a time, and could address up to 640 bytes of memory. The development of the Intel 4004 was a collaborative effort between engineers at Intel Corporation and the Japanese calculator manufacturer Busicom. The chip was originally designed for use in Busicom's calculators, but Intel later realized its potential for other applications. The Intel 4004 paved the way for the development of more advanced microprocessors, such as the Intel 8008, 8080, and 8086, which became widely used in personal computers and other electronic devices. Today, microprocessors are used in a vast array of devices, from smartphones and tablets to cars and home appliances, and continue to be an essential component of modern computing.